Hi loves, in this episode we're going to go over the number one marketing mistake that photographers are making that is keeping them starving and not thriving. I'm La, I'm a boudoir photographer in Las Vegas and a business and marketing mentor helping creatives turn their passion into profits. On this channel, I share tips, tricks, and hacks to having a wildly successful and profitable photography business. So marketing by far is the number one thing that photographers come to me for help with. It is where they are feeling the most stuck, and yet they just keep doing the same things over and over and over. But the number one mistake that they're making, and maybe they're making it because they just don't know any better, that's what I found at least, is they aren't tracking their marketing investment ROI, so return on investment, and their client acquisition cost. Whether that be marketing in VIP groups, traditional push marketing such as social media and networking, expos, events, or even paid marketing. I love hearing people say social media, networking, and VIP groups are free marketing. BS. How much time are you spending on these free marketing avenues in order to get a few clients here and there? Not saying it's impossible, but I guarantee you most likely haven't been tracking it. And that is the costly mistake. Your time is your most valuable asset, the one thing you can never get more of. So if you want to know what the difference is between a hobbyist photographer, someone who does this for fun, or what I call a hobbyist photographer is someone who says they have a business, but they can't seem to create a consistent income from it, and actual successful business photographers making six figures or more, six-figure photographers have a trackable marketing system that provides them with a consistent flow of clients, and they know exactly what their ROI and their CAC or their client acquisition cost is. So knowing your cost of acquiring a client is extremely important in making sure that your business is profitable and your marketing dollars or your time is earning a positive ROI. So let's go through figuring out your client acquisition cost. You would take your total marketing investment, whether that's time or money, and divide it by the number of actual booked clients that come from a specific avenue of marketing. So if you have multiple ways of marketing, you need to calculate your CAC separately for each of them. So let's walk through an example. I'll use one of my private coaching clients as an example. They spend $300 a month with me on their Google Ads, and they get an average of 15 client inquiries just from those ads. This doesn't account for organic traffic or that we've built up with our SEO or other things. So after working with me as well on how to convert those inquiries into actual bookings, they're booking an average of 10 of those clients per month. So 10 out of 15, which would be 75%. So to get their client acquisition cost, we're going to take their total marketing investment of $300 divided by that number of clients that they've actually booked, which is 10. And that's going to give us $30 of their client acquisition cost. So with this marketing avenue, it's costing them $30 to acquire a new client. So why does your client acquisition cost matter? This is what helps you determine if your invested time or marketing dollars is actually giving you a positive ROI on or return on your investment. So you can know where to put your time and money for the most profit. I did a video on calculating your ROI, I'll link that below. But you want to make sure that the time or money you're investing is actually giving you a profit. So if you're spending time instead of money on acquiring your clients, then you need to calculate how much time you're spending each month to acquire those clients. This could be networking events, social media, your VIP group, email marketing, blogging, etc. So to calculate your CAC for time, you would take your total number of hours spent in 1 month and divide that by the number of clients that you have actually booked through those efforts in that 1 month. So to get even more specific to see what is actually working and what isn't, calculate your CAC for each of these separately. So that way, if perhaps your VIP group is where all your clients are coming from, then focusing more of your time and efforts there would be more beneficial. The unfortunate problem with this is when you're only investing time and not money, then you only have a certain amount of time in each day. So you can't leverage yourself. I highly recommend a combination of both time investment in the things that you actually enjoy doing and a financial investment in the right marketing avenues for your business. This is the best possible scenario for marketing your business. This is what successful photographers that you see out there have figured out and are implementing. This is just business principles for all businesses, not just photographers. And I'm seeing that the majority of creatives just aren't doing this. You have to invest in your business both time-wise and financially. Can you build a business without ever having to pay for marketing? Kind of, maybe, not really. You can definitely grow a business by networking, by blogging, by showing up on social media every day. That is definitely a long game, and you have to have enough capital and time to get you through. So if you want to accelerate your business a lot faster and start creating a consistent, sustainable income, you have to be leveraging both your time and your marketing dollars. This is what I help my private photography clients do. So now that you know how to calculate your client acquisition cost, you can figure out which marketing avenues are going to have the lowest CAC and give you the highest return or ROI on your time or money investment. So thanks for hanging out. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more tips, tricks, and hacks to help you building a wildly profitable and successful photography business, definitely hit the subscribe button so you get notified when new videos come out, and make sure you're turning on the notifications. Hope to see you in the next video.